AimBetter, today for a better tomorrow. Because of current world events, more and more businesses are allowing their employees to work from home. However, this does not take away from your current issues of slowness, but only has added to it. Thus, it puts a strain on the system, which in turn leads to slowdowns and blocks. AimBetter is a database solution company. We can monitor different types of SQL, like Microsoft SQL servers, Azure, AWS, RDS, or Amazon. It can also be mentioned that AimBetter is not only for database servers. We can monitor terminal servers, application servers, and web applications, all on Windows environment. Are you currently aware of how much money you lose on a daily basis with your current system? Have you ever tried to calculate that? How much does a slow system really cost you? As a team of expert database administrators, we want to show you this calculation based on cases that our clients have experienced. At a rate of €19 an hour, and 10 seconds of waiting time in order to get a response, if you multiplied that by 100 times a day, this means that as a company you pay €532 a day plus damage cost from operation loss. In this example, we look at 3 minutes of waiting time. When the system or computer is slow for 3 minutes, the calculation is €8,550 of the approximate cost per day. Let's look at the most reoccurring problems you might meet. Slowness, irregular server performance, blocks or non-optimal processes, and errors. If you have met this, the most essential questions might be: how fast can it be fixed? Who can fix it the fastest? Why does it happen? What should we do so this won't happen again? How fast can it be fixed? With AimBetter, it's 15 minutes for installation. After 15 minutes, you will start to get notifications with the subjects of the problems. How much time does it take for you to identify the problem? If AimBetter is installed, you will be aware of any coming problem before you face it. Who currently warned you that there might be a problem, and which kind of problem exactly? In this case, you will receive notifications and email alerts of any issues you may have. Who can fix it the fastest? Typically, when we have a challenge, you have a team and they receive a user complaint. When this happens, your team has to each analyze the issue before it can be found and resolved. This is an exhausting process for you. With AimBetter, your IT team can use our solution and call us and speak with a real person in case of any issues. We can fix it. We have a team of DBA. Call us and speak with a real person in case of any issues. Why does it happen? Thousands of actions can lead to performance problems, but with AimBetter, we know why, when, where, and what exactly happened. How long does it usually take you to search for these reasons? With AimBetter, it only takes a few minutes to find out. Let's see how it looks. It is really easy to understand, even for a non-technical person. This is how the system looks. You can see and manage all of the servers that you work with. In this example, you have 31 servers. 19 of them need our attention. The system knows how to prioritize them according to urgency of the problem. The urgent ones are outlined in red. The orange lines also point to a problem that should be checked. What we see here is reoccurring problems. The red color points out that something is wrong. Simply it says that user can't use his system. On this slide, you can see how it looks inside. Here we can see that the problem is the blocking query is more than 4 minutes. If you've already installed the system, AimBetter notifies the exact problem both by email and/or the application. After that, you should go to Queries and History. In here you can see that Alex blocks users because something happened. Here we see the client and the process ID and all possible details. That means that there is more than enough information for the DBA in order to solve the problem. We also see the list of users that are blocked because of Alex. Here we can see who exactly blocked the clients, the process ID. Over here we see the applications that they ran. It means that because Alex ran this application, trying to use it, he blocked 46 users. That is enough for the DBA to contact Alex and talk about if they can afford to run this application further. And this all took less than 5 minutes to find out. What should we do so this does not happen again? Currently, we know why, so we can focus on improvements. So if you install AimBetter, you'll get notifications and you will be able to know what to do with problems as they appear. How many and what kind of problems are reoccurring? Out of how many of them are reoccurring more? From the list, how many are you not even aware of? If the problems repeat themselves, it means that the root is not defined and the problem is not solved. In summary, AimBetter is accurate, timely, cost-saving, secure, efficiently productive. Why continue to allow your company to be less productive? Use AimBetter today for a better tomorrow. Thank you.